Hey guys, so this is just a quick tutorial for those of you that need to insert your map into your map page on your Google site, but are using the new version of Google Maps, which is called Google Maps Engine Lite. So the URL will always start with Maps Engine. It'll look more like this. So it is a little bit trickier to get this into a Google site. Just because of some changes they've made, and they haven't really brought over the easy integration between this and sites yet. But it's not super challenging. I think you guys will be able to pick it up pretty quick by watching this. So I've created a little map right here, and it's just the locations of our schools. And now I want to get it ready to put into my site. The first thing I have to do is come up here to where it says share. And you have to come to this first one where mine by default says private. Click on change, and it has to be public on the web. Anyone with a link won't work for this, so it needs to go ahead and be public on the web. And click save. And then you can just leave this however it is, click done. And then I'm going to come over to this little folder icon. And when I click on that, I'm going to choose the embed on my site option. And this is going to give us all this crazy stuff, which is called HTML. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the whole thing and copy it and say OK. And then come over to my site page. And I'm on the map page. Click Edit. And now this is the only tricky part. What I'm going to do is come in here and click where it says HTML. And you see all this crazy stuff. We're just going to click down here at the bottom of it and paste in that code we just pulled from our Google Maps engine. I'm going to click Update, and you notice now that there is a little thing that says Google Gadget, include gadget iframe. You don't need to know what that means, you just want to have it in there. And then when I click Save, you'll notice that my map now shows up in here. But, you know, it's a little squished over, which is kind of weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in here to Edit Page, and I'm going to click on the gray box, and that'll bring up my little settings. And let's first center it, and then I'm going to click on Settings. And on the settings page, instead of width, I'm going to change from pixels to percent and put in 100%. And if we want, we can make it a little bit taller. It's totally up to you guys, and I can say include a scroll bar when necessary, and then I'm going to click OK. And then when I click Save, now my map goes edge to edge, and it's going to be easier for people to see things on it. So that's the real quick down and dirty how to get your Google Maps Engine Lite into a Google site. Don't hesitate to contact me if you guys have any questions.